Hello everyone! Today I want to announce my newest start to finish tutorial, which I just finished recording. I was very busy the last few weeks to pull this together, and finally the tutorial is available on my homepage, so I'll put a link to it in the descriptions below. And what's this tutorial about? When I was traveling around the world, I was also visiting Australia, and one evening I was at Cape Woolamai and I took this panorama here. And there's the sun in the photo, there's rushing water, lots of dynamic range, and it wasn't so easy to pull off. There were many techniques involved here, both during taking the photo and also in the post-processing. And in the start to finish tutorial, I go through all of them. The complete tutorial is 2.5 hours long and starts with me discussing how I took the several photos for this panorama. So I took 7 horizontal frames, all with bracketing active, which gave me 21 photos to work with. I show you how I did the raw processing for them, and then the major part will be the stitching. So I wasn't using Lightroom here, but I was using the free software Hugin, and this involved some tricks which I show, and also it leaves me with 3 panoramas in the end, one for the dark tones, one for the normal, and for the bright tones. And for those I could use my normal blending workflow with luminosity masks and other masks in Photoshop. So I have full control here, and later I'll also show you my creative workflow. So how I went from the blended and stitched photo to this final result. So this involved working on colors, on contrast, dodge and burn, and lots of other techniques which I show. And it ends with a multipass sharpening to bring out the details to get this photo really crisp, and then the steps for web sharpening and also for print sharpening. And this is then the result of the print sharpening. So it's a 90 centimeters print, which I did right after finishing the last video of the tutorial. And I think it looks quite nice. Many details. I have the whole dynamic range in the photo, and I'm quite proud of this photo and also of the tutorial, which took me a long time to record. So if you're interested, just head over to my homepage where you'll find more information and also a link to an automatic delivery system which I've set up. There you can buy the tutorial. Also, for the first 30 people who buy the tutorial, there's a link, a discount code active. So if you use early, you get $5 off the tutorial. But it's only for the first 30 people. So let me know what you think about the tutorial. So for those who want to purchase it and watch it, I'm always interested in feedback, and also if you have ideas for further tutorials, not only for the start to finish tutorials but also for YouTube, just leave a comment. What do you want to see? What processing techniques and stuff like that? And I also promise you that I'll do a few more vlogs in the future when actually the weather gets a little better again. But for now, see you!